All right, so here's a look at this dog ramp. Now this is gonna be great for short or small dogs. This one's gonna go up to 17 inches at its max and then down to about 8 inches at its lowest setting. And the way that you're gonna adjust this is over here on the back, there's gonna be these wooden pieces. You just slide them into the little nook and then it's going to allow it to either raise up or raise down. Now again, this could be used all the way down to 8 inches where you can see it's very, very low to the ground. So this could be used for other things than just a couch, or you could have it put up to the maximum height and then it's going to fit even on a tall couch like this. It's pretty good. Now I know this brand has another version of this that's going to go even taller, so if you're looking for a taller one, just click on the brand name and then you can see some of the other ramps that they have. But I absolutely love this design and our dog loves it too, because it's got these grooves on here, which it's like a thick pile carpet. It's going to move all the way up, and then each, about half a foot or so, it also has these steps, and each of these steps is actually made out of wood, so it's not going to deteriorate over time, and it just makes it really easy for them to dig their claws in here and get up. It also helps if they're going down, they're not going to slip and slide on down. And yeah, this is great for if you've got a dog who maybe has joint problems, or if you just have a small dog that's not able to get up here. Plus, it's just great for pretty much any dog. Like if you've got a dog that's going to be jumping up and down off of the bed, off of the couch all day long, you got to think that's going to be taking a toll on their joints. So getting them used to this young is going to be really helpful and going to prevent their joints from deteriorating faster. Now again, I love the fact that this is designed this way. We're able to undo these hooks over here on the side. We can fold this piece up just like this, and it's going to close like a briefcase. It's also going to have these clips over here on both sides, and you can pretty much bring it with you anywhere you go. It's got a nice leather strap up here at the top, and it's really compact. Some of the other ones that I've seen on Amazon, it's just a large chunky piece and that's it. You're not able to really do anything after that. It's going to take up a bunch of space, but this is great. You could bring it with you to the park. You could bring it with you to someone else's house. You could bring it outside. Maybe then you want to get on the patio furniture. This is great because you can bring it basically anywhere, or if you don't need it at the time, you can easily just put it and store it away in a closet. Now the wooden structure of this is nice, but the one thing you want to know is if you're going to be putting this on hardwood floors, you want to make sure that you put some non-slip pads on here at the bottom and down here, or you could put it on like a rubberized mat or something like that just to help it so it's not going to slip. Or if you're going to have it here on a carpet, you could easily just put this down and you don't really need to add anything to it. But yeah, I think this is the best designed dog stairs on Amazon. It's got the functionality of the steps being easy to go up, no sliding down, and you could fold this thing up, put it away, or bring it with you. So if you're looking for some good dog stairs, something that's really adjustable and easy to use, I would definitely recommend this one.